امریکا نے ایران سے مذاکرات میں پاکستان کو واحد ثالث قرار دے دیا۔ ترجمان وائٹ ہاؤس کے مطابق کئی ممالک امریکہ ایران جنگ میں ثالثی کے خواہش مند ہیں۔ کہا کہ مذاکرات کا اگلا مرحلہ ممکنہ طور پر اسلام آباد میں ہوگا۔ انہوں نے ایران اور امریکہ جنگ بندی سے متعلق پاکستان کی سنجیدہ کوششوں کو بھی سراہا۔
The prospects of a deal. The president mentioned that in his interview yesterday, and it's obviously in the best interest of Iran to meet the president's demands. I think he's made his red lines in these negotiations very clear.
Talks be in Islamabad, or where would they be the next round?
They would very likely be in the same place as they were last time, yes. With the same, I would just want to make one point that's important to the president. The Pakistanis have been incredible mediators throughout this process, and we really appreciate their friendship and their efforts to bring this deal to a close. So they are the only mediator in this negotiation. While there have been many countries around the world who want to offer their help, the president feels it's important to continue to streamline this communication through the Pakistanis, and so that's what continues to take place.